chase these checks. I ain't got time, so I'm tryna get it. Boss up on my own, I ain't gotta fit in. I just re-up on a hater like I got a pick six. Yeah, yeah.
Where y'all from in the chat? Let me know.
Yeah, yeah. No cap, yeah, no. Yeah, yeah. No cap, yeah, no. Yeah, yeah.
Let's get it.
Yeah.
Please don't beat that vein, that broken mirror, distant pain. Okay. Like we're looking at some art somewhere in Italy, insane. Beautiful. It's the same like a scene, living life on different lanes.
Make sure you smash that like button.
So often I forget the day. All I know is stack chips because people always change like the seasons. People in and out, leaves on a tree, but it's life, so fuck it. I know that's just gotta be. That's leave the misery, the company, and charge them both a fee. I do what I do. It's probably just move how I move. Pop your head. Ay, people on my line, yeah, cause they tryna be cool. Ay, I do what I do.
You know the vibe.
Hey, stay up on your cheddar, hun. Stay up on your 10 toes down, that's the rule.
Let's go.
Money on my mind, gotta chase these checks. I ain't got time, so I'm tryna get it.
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Hey, where you guys from though? Tap in, tap in, tap in. We're gonna start off with that young DXY. Make sure you smash that like button. Let's go.
No, yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, I know. She only fuck with bosses on the low. She only like them ballers with the dough. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, I know. She a sucker swallow for some gold. Said she got her own and she grown, and she gon' do what she want.
What's up?
Ay, I do
Okay.
what
Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it.
Hey, stay up on your cheddar, hun. Stay up on your 10 toes down, that's the rule.
Let's go.
It's actually like one of my favorite vibes right now. Alright, so this morning I'm just getting straight to it. You feel me? We gonna get straight to the baggy. Alright, that was Re-Up on the Hater featuring Tino Bray. Alright. So this morning, like I said, we're gonna get straight to that baggy, Let's get it. Big vibes, let's get it. So I started with this young DXY just because, you know, I always like to look at the dollar to know what the dollar is doing. All right, so the strength that we're looking at right now is to the downside. That's the current trend that it's in. Is overall trending bearish right now. If we look at the daily, the time frame that we're on. All right, so right there you see how I have the watermark in the back. I appreciate the don't know T Jones. All right, let's get it. So look. So you see the watermark in the back. We're looking at that daily. So spotted bearish divergence as well. You're like, where is that at? Like boom. All right. So I feel like price gonna keep pushing to the downside. It's gonna remain, you know, pushing to the downside. The dollar will remain getting weaker and weaker. Right now we just had consolidation, but I feel like that's just a retest or a higher low. All right. I mean a higher low, a lower low. All right. Before it goes up, it makes a lower high, or you know, boom. Here's the lower low, and then boom. Or price already kind of came up because we have a green candlestick right here. So we have a green candlestick. That's something to look for. One more Batsu, and then you have like a wick right here. So it's like price already came up and gave us our retest, and now we should continue going toward the downside. So it was a lower low right here. Here was a lower high, and then here it is making another lower low right here. All right, so I see DXY continue to be bearish this week. All right. Let's get it. Where you guys from in the chat though? Where you guys from in the chat? What's good? What's good? What's good? Let's turn this shit up, man. Where you guys from in the chat? Where you guys from in the chat? I'm mad I don't have the chat rolling on the screen, but shit, we'll fix that shit for the next stream. You feel me? The other song I feel like that's gonna get us turned up is we could be on Meat Coat, we could be on all of that, you feel me? But we're gonna slowly scroll down. So we start off with DXY. I don't know if you guys want to put a timestamp or something like that, you know what I'm saying? But you guys go ahead and shit, put the time stop. shit. Yeah, you better seek some type of you know, guidance before you start trying to seek the craziness of the world. That's very true. New Orleans 504, Indiana, Wales, UK, Morocco, Texas. We got Texas in this joint, Queens, South Carolina, Chi-Town, Fort Lauderdale. You feel me? What's your favorite thing to trade? We about to slide to gold real quick. All right, I had gold on like this little ascending triangle. All right, where this green line is just me kind of looking left, and I was looking at the pressure. Sometimes I'll triple confirm and quadruple confirm, you know, prices at support, but we're at support in a few areas. So when we kind of got like support right here and support right here, and we're inside of a ascending triangle, and we're, you know, pushing to the upside. So looking like dollar's gonna get weaker. Gold may go ahead and just continue, you know, pushing on up if and when it breaks out of here. All right, could we get any more retests to the downside? The thing is, you can, and you should always be prepared for that, right? You should always be prepared for that. But ultimately, I mean, I'm looking at gold from a longer view, like, you know, here's where we're going with it. So this is like February, March. So it's just me looking, you know, looking out. So I know this is more so like a weekly analysis or forecast, but you know, you always want to kind of have an idea of where price is going to go, especially after it breaks the highs and stuff like that. It get back to 2000, and then once it pops 2000, you know, where's it going to go from there? You know, just like Nasdaq and just like us 30, just like, you know, when we go to the other shit, it's going to get lit, you know? Do we have anybody who actually trades gold? What's going on? Do we have anybody who actually trades gold? Y'all going up. We only been on for about 6 minutes. We only been on for like 6 minutes. Let's get it. You guys trade gold? Okay, cool. No, you don't trade gold, Harry? You trade gold, what is that, Christmas? All right, Eric, I see you. Malik Rogers, you trade gold. Supreme Team Trades, okay. You said gold's a killer for you. I see you, Vince. Bro in here trading gold. I know you do your thing. Up and running. So that's gold. So currently, in the past 6 minutes, we've already covered two things. We've covered DXY. I mean, you could go in there and, I mean, really, some people can bring in a full fundamental analysis, and you really don't need to see all that. That's just too much, you know, too much fluff. Don't confuse yourself. Know what the market is doing, get an analysis, fill it out, and then just move accordingly. All right. Like, you guys be afraid to take shots because you overanalyze. I see some shit and I go with it, you know. So that's kind of like my outlook for the week. So you want to know what I'm doing for the week. Really, I mean, for the people who really know what's up, a lot of you guys really, you know, follow me Monday through Friday on Twitch and then come through on Sunday too. So, you know, that's dope, and I appreciate the people who's always in the neighborhood, you know what I'm saying. But then, like, for the new people as well, if you don't know, I'm on Twitch Monday through Friday. You guys, what time I'm usually on? Like 8 to 10. Shit, come pop on. It's lit. You feel me? You guys, a lot of people eat, a lot of people have fun. It's a vibe, it's chill, and we do our thing. You feel me? We do our thing. So now we're about to go to US 30. All right, we're about to go over here to go to US 30 real quick, like. All right, 1 second as I load up that US 30, because you know I got the song for all the shit, and we got XPX5 that just hit. So now we got all the shits, you feel me? So as I mark up this US 30, I'm about to go ahead and play that US 30. Let's get it.
Run that shit. Trip that shit, run that.
Let's get it. Hey, what'd you guys eat for breakfast this morning? Let me know in the chat.
Run that shit up, run that shit back. Come on, try it again, then I run up the pack. Mask up.
I need y'all energy up though. You gonna have to match me.
Trip that shit, run that shit back. Try it again, then we run up the pack.
You gonna have to match me, so get ready to turn up. What's up?
Mask up while we make them shit clap. Big dog, rich dog, been on rich dog since a kid dog. Even when I was broke, I couldn't fall. Stay 10 toes to my grind, invest at 10-fold. But 10 to 2,000 in the morning, all gold. If I'm greedy, kick US 30 to my count, get locked, y'all. Easy money and I'm gone, toss the phone, lead a zone. Big booty freak when I suck because I'm free. Big booty freak when I suck because I'm him. Trade niggas, banks on taps like museums. Flip your per diem and triple up the profit, serving trades like Tims, black Tims. That's foot on the gas of this yacht from Long Beach. Drove everything down the block, from Rari's to Lambos to Rolls and drop tops. We don't see them around the city, what they say that they around. Right, ayy, I'm in the trade right now, what's the hype, ayy? Shot caller shit, so you know it's trade or die. They say the trade game, but are you really gon' ride? Got it poppin'. happen in the market, you either trade or die trying. Niggas
You know the
see
motherfucking
lifestyle, but ain't
vibes.
really about that life. Hey, wake up every morning, check the trade and hit the lights. Take the same trade on 5 different brokers, get sniped. Got the city on smash for exchange.
I need y'all to turn up if you know the hook. Let's go.
Now I'm that guy. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Bring that shit back. Come on.
Trade again, then I run up the pack. Mask up, then we load up.
Shit, you should know this shit by heart now.
Mask up. Whip that shit, run that shit back. Trade again, then we run up the pack. Mask up, then I load up the gas. Mask up, while we make them just clap. We been big paid from the gig, oh, this that trade gang. Same thing, except we in the market with them things spraying. Trade gang, except we in the market, no games playing. Same thing, money moving cold to the stainless, the lane change. Perky popping, wild bubbling all in your mainframe. You think this free, this ain't no sweepstakes, bitch. Nas 100, get this me steaks, bitch. During 30 smack, but I don't fuck, she need a rent pay. Converse the dollar, pound that pussy off the bench pay. Money off the phone, but we don't keep them more than 3 days. Keep the money hot, wear a mask and move the freeway. In a free world, but we ain't free yet, East Bay. Catalog your life and choose a pair from the heat wave. Document the trades and burn the paper, no leeway. Just that.
All right, let's get it. All right, so we about to break down this US 30, right? So, I mean, obviously you don't need a trend line to see this shit is in an uptrend, but if you do, then I'll go ahead and place that for those people who don't have the eye yet. All right, so overall, we're still looking good, right? Price still trending north, and you're like, well, is this shit going up or down? Obviously it's going up, okay, but where are we at right now? So currently, okay, price is at support. So we'll go in, like, price ain't no support. What you talking about, Willis? Then what's this right here? Boom, right? So we go a little bit closer for those who, you know, need to see a nice little clear view. All right, so price is at support. Strong support, actually. And yes, we're on the daily. So what time frame we on, Ty? Can somebody let me know, man? Hey, time frame we on? Head ass. Look. But we're on the daily. All right, so I could go into the 4 hour. I could go into, you feel me? I can go in every time frame, obviously, but I mean, literally, there's no need for that. We're looking at the weekly outlook. You know what I'm saying? We're looking at a weekly outlook. So I'm looking at where the pressure is building up, you know, on daily or higher time frames, just so I can, you know, make my analysis for what I want to do in the future. You feel me? So. Let's get it. Hey, if you guys are up right now, spam ones in the chat. If you guys are up and active right now, spam ones in the chat. What's good? If you guys are up and active right now, spam ones in the chat. So that's that US 30 right there. So you were like, where do I feel like the target is gonna go? So for the week, look, we could hover around 28.5. That's about right here. Where the fuck is that little price tag at? There it is. So 28.5, it's like 28.569, somewhere around here, right? So just hover back and forth. You kind of see the wicks already in that area. If you here, because I know some people, I don't see no wicks, man. I don't see no wicks. So there you go. Kind of see the wicks kind of hovering in this area. So I feel like we'll either float around there all week until we get past election, like Price has been doing, right? Or the shit will break out and we'll just go ahead and try to retest this high up here. And then there's another thing glooming as well that I kind of want you to see. All right. So this is just the daily. So now we're gonna go from the daily to the weekly, because I noticed this shit. I was like, hold on, this looks interesting. So then on the weekly, it looks a little bit different. So now we got like price kind of like, you know, we seeing some heavy bearish divergence in a sense. You feel me? Well, not necessarily heavy, but it's there. So I mean, I had two analyses, and you like, why? Just because like election time is coming up, so I know what I want the market to do in a sense, and I'm going with it. But then like I know these elections are coming up too, and I know what could happen. So we could come down, you know, and possibly get a retest like around here. This is like 27, right? On some shit. So it's always good to kind of know a possible. All right, and you're like, well, what's your analysis for the week? Obviously, like I said, price that support, I'm expecting to come in and move with it. You know what I'm saying? Use the support and going up to the higher price. And that's what it is. I'm looking at dollar, you know what I mean? So I'm already kind of expecting the market to move a little bit higher anyway, you know, just because it's been posting consistent decline for like the past 8 or 9 days. So really, I'm just like, all right, I know the market can't go down forever, you know what I mean? So that's what it is. But I'm definitely prepared. I'm definitely prepared for it to take that tumble, if indeed it does, and I will have to adjust my plan accordingly when that does happen, or if that does happen, might I say the least. All right. So that's that, yeah. All right, so now, I mean, you already know what's coming next, but before we get in here, like I said, okay, I see people spamming at ones. I see people spamming at ones. Let's get it. What's good, Heisen? What's good, bro? What's the deal? Shit, we already got that Nasdaq about to come up right now, man. Who off that Nasdaq this morning? Matter of fact, who off that Nasdaq this morning? You guys had your coffee. What's up with your energy? All right, now I actually feel like the energy is getting there. Another thing, how we get all these people here and y'all not smashing that like button? Now, I know one thing about YouTube. They love when y'all smash that like button. I don't know what it is. You feel me? But I guess YouTube like, what do you press the button? Button presser. Official button presser. Man, say off that gazer pack. Nasdaq, smash it. That gas, easy call, turn up. All right, so man, we about to get into that young Nasdaq because I mean, as you can see right here on the right side, that is what's next. All right, so let's move. Where the fuck is that Nasdaq song? I got so many songs, man. So many songs, it's crazy. There we go. We're running it up. And then, you know, we got that the toy drive coming in December. That's gonna be on either the 22nd or the 23rd. All right, so that's gonna be lit as fuck. Hey yo, Kizzy, what the fuck? I mean, you already know what the deal is. Hey yo, Kizzy, what the fuck? Man, shit, bro, keep sending these tracks through. Here we go.
Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack that. Fill up the tank, amass that. Bitch, run up the wealth, that's a big back. Nasdaq, smoking on that gas pack. Pass that, set it, attack. Fill up the tank, amass. Bitch, run up the wealth, back. Bitch, niggas capping, acting like they rich. Okay, cool, swerving through the lane on 26. Hey yo, big business, bought some land, make a big flip. Say less. You on them currency, just a little tip. Nas 100, that's some big shit. US 30-yard profits had a double flip. Hit pound versus the dollar on the back end. Hey, pool run babies on my back end. I see it, learn, turn, code the facts in. Then we package up the Gouda, move the packs in. Okay, now slice the cheese up, out of land with it. Withdraw it. Then you sandwich it. Okay, get it out the mud with rubber bands and work the plans. Leave it up to ops and then fuck your other hand. Keep your eyes open and keep your eyes on your sand. Time always moving, so you better keep the fan. Always check the eyes and they posture and they stance. Creeping through the lane in the Rory. Ain't no plane, ain't no sorry, ain't no shaking hands. You already had the chance to the border. Sliding through the pockets, taking profits out with chargers. So who really own you to get your back in? What's really good? Niggas never been a boss.
Let's get it.
Shit. Right. You don't even own your own masters, that's a bad plan. Nigga, fuck you talking about? Get a mask, man. Nasdaq, smoking.
Let's get it. Money. All right, straight up. So look, price sitting at support. Boom. All right, go into it a little bit more. I know your fucking Furu is gonna be selling this shit on the week, but I mean, it is what it is. They gotta survive some way. You feel me? First I gave a fuck, but now who cares? We getting bread, nigga. All right, so look. Price in that support, easy, boom. All I see is the shit just banking off this motherfucker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 daily wicks off this shit. So look, price could get rejected and, you know, just continue in this range for the rest of the week. Who am I to say? But in my mind, I'm like, shit, nigga, price in that support, I'm about to take that. We gonna try to run all the way up. You know what I'm saying? Get you some nice little shits and just float. Might be able to float it. Keep moving. Ultimately, right? He said, I came to hear that Rolls Royce energy. We got that. I got you, Vince. I got you. We're gonna make this dodo. You feel me? And I mean, yeah, the music is one thing. And see, I could have just went full-fledged music from the jump, but I had a fucking message and I had a story, you feel me? So that's why I did it the way I did it. But people ask me why I'm dropping like I'm dropping now. Like, man, go look at my past. That's all I've been doing. Like, it was never, oh, use Forex and use Forex to do whatever you niggas thought it was. It was use Forex to push my own fucking shit that I wanted to push the way I wanted to do it. You know what I mean? Cause then like, well, you can't tell me no. I got my own funding. So I do whatever I want to do. You dig? Anyway, like I said, price chilling at support, man. That shit chilling at support so crazy. So Nasdaq's tech heavy and has been performing well regardless of outside influence. People been wondering why, you know, during the pandemic, the Nasdaq and the stock market has been going up. Well, I mean, shit, you had to just like look around, man. The technology is just rapidly increasing, you know, at a rate that, you know, not even you could control. So, I mean, not only are your phones getting better, faster, and stronger, so are the things around you, even like your grocery stores and, you know, the cars and, you know, everything. So, shit, as we just incorporate more artificial intelligence and technology into everything to make the world more automated, that's what everybody's trying to go to. Because, you know, as business owners, the whole thing is shit, automation. That's what everybody's on. You know, the higher you go, the more automated your lifestyle is. So really, to get to the jets for real, like the real jets, your shit got to be so much on autopilot. Like you got to just be, it's lit. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. But although, look, we could see some bearish interference. All right, and we seen that when I put up on US 30 and we kind of looked at that divergence. I'll pull it up on a weekly over here too, because the daily and the weekly tell me two different things. So I'm taking both readings into consideration just because of what time of the year it is. A lot of people, they won't, because you don't give a fuck. But I mean, it's trade or die for me. You know what I'm saying? So we in this bitch, and wherever it go, it gotta go. But I got two perspectives. Like, okay, well, if indeed my first one is right and we continue moving to the top side, like I'm looking at the overall market, shit, we trending like a motherfucker. Like, you know what I'm saying? Overall. And now, I mean, we just wait to the end of the year. Mind you, this is the daily, so I mean, it depends on what you're looking at, but this is July 2021 right here. You know what I'm saying? But y'all ain't that patient though. You ain't really that patient. You don't really got that much patience, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, I got a different outlook than you, so yeah, and that's just what it is. So we will get to the next one. You said 80 to 1,000. Yeah, I could. I'll send that shit to Vince. That's that. Like, bro, we be making bread though. Like, so the little shit, I don't really give a fuck about. Like, y'all care about that little shit, cause that's little shit to you. Like, you're wild by that shit. Like, I need to see 10 billion. Fuck you. That's what I'm wild by. You talking about some $1,000? Like, bro, that's not even shoe money. You feel me? I'm about to go switch to SPX 500 right now. We about to change this bitch up. We're gonna change this party up. So as we go into XPX 5, what's cool about that is that's been posting consistent gains for the last 10 plus years too. You know what I mean? So I don't care that it's a little bit rare right now. Shit. It's this part in the song where it talks, well, no, in Forex Lames it talks about the market being on sale, you know what I'm saying, at $4.99 and you buying it off the low. But nobody listen to these songs. Y'all crazy. Y'all listen to who you listen to? You feel me? That's probably why you're not profitable in this shit. I'm just saying, to be honest, you feel me? Your mind all fucked up and polluted. And you put on this trade music. If you trade, bro, and you gonna make you some bread. You know what I'm saying? Because the shit is in there. Can I look at volatility? Man, he said, Ty still shop at the swap meet? Nah, I definitely don't. To be honest, I don't even shop at regular stores, bro. You won't even catch me in the store because I be over going to the store. That's the thing. I'm lazy as fuck. I'll be over going to the store. So the last place you catch me is a store. I'm about to play that XPX shit in a minute. You feel me? I'm about to play that shit in a minute. We're about to move over there right now. Give you the markup on the SPX. So this is on the daily. It's low ball. What I seen if shit during elections, this is a piece too, and this is kind of off that divergence, like just in case. You feel me? So I've been spotting that shit all day. But then my other analysis is like, we got two dojis right here, but then could this be tweezer tops? Like, you know what I'm saying? So like, could it be tweezer tops on the weekly? And it's like, that's a strong possibility. You got like boom, then you got elections, so it's like, you know what I mean? So that's kind of like my mindset going into the week. Like, I know where the market wants to go or could possibly go. So let's say DXY gets strong as fuck, nigga, you know this shit gonna flip and just, you know, tumble during elections, boom, and then we'll go down, retest some lows, then we shoot back up for the next 7 months. You know what I mean? So that's kind of where we are right now. Although currently off the daily, this has already left the station. You feel me? Price already has support and it's already started to take off. So that shit's already left. The rocket ship was here. It was at the dock. You feel me? Now that shit gone. So I feel like we might just keep pushing up, keep floating, keep posting them gains. Yeah, it's gonna get rocky during the election. You know what I mean? But it is what it is. Okay. Can you look back at gold? I'm definitely not looking back at gold. Definitely not looking back at gold. All right, so also we're gonna go to some currencies and shit too. I'll switch to GU after this and the EU, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just, you know, gonna mark up like what I see right here, and that's just kind of what it is. So
Let's try.
Oh my God, this shit wavy in the cold. Oh my God, this shit ratchet and we on. Oh my God, the Dow up, drop it low. Drop it low, drop it low, drop it low. Making money, then we slide. XPX slide. XPX 5 ride in the baseline. Big fives in this bitch vibe. Big money from the neck to the waistline. Big money, this a hit, this that baseline. Turn that motherfucker up and let that bass ride. Turn your MetaTrader on and get that cash high. Finger fuck these cell phones to the lights die. Bust that motherfucker down to the right side. If the numbers all blue, you know you did it right. I tell that bitch to bust down, fuck her all night. Stop playing in these markets, it's straight to die. Hey yo, you know I'm fly and I'm handsome. Switch it up, boss slide in the phantom. Big rims, ghetto as fuck, that's why you mad, huh? Hey, get on the floor and pop that ass, huh? This that music make you cash while you dance, huh? Big money shit, ballers on command, huh? Big money shit, drop it on the land, huh? Franchise that shit, yeah, that's the plan, huh? Oh my God, this shit wavy in the cold. Oh my God, this shit ratchet and we on. Oh my God, the Dow up, drop it low. Drop it low, drop it low, drop it low. Making money.
shit, let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. Man, shit, we gonna be going the fuck up, bro. I'm telling you. Imagine turning on the SPX 500 in the club, and we all, like, the thing is, like, see, the world not in tune with what was going on yet, but when shit get in tune with what's going on, man, it's gonna hit their ass so hard, they gonna be like, yo, what? Oh, this is what's going on? Like, bro, the whole time. But y'all listening to the party, you like, but are you in the party is the question, you feel me? So, you said I never play in the club, but all my homies and DJs though. So that's wild. Shit, it's crazy because you're gonna be jacking off your whole life, you fucking imbecile. Oh, and watching live streams, bro, because you really don't do this shit. You said gold is gonna form a double top, hitting the 2,000 mark and drop, completely ignoring the dollar. Said, yeah, we here. Said, can't wait to eat. My trades this week, gold, New Zealand dollar, SPX 5. He said, hairline look like inverse head and shoulders. He laughed at his own joke. Shoot your mouth. You mean shut? You got a typo, bro. When you shoot, you got to do it the right way. You know what I'm saying? But let's go to GU though. All right, so I got DXY looking weak right now. All right, I know we got two little red candlesticks. You probably feel like it's gonna continue red. I'm looking at price being at support though. All right, slight support. I go to a 4 hour, look a little different for me. Boom. Feel like we're gonna go ahead and try to trend that. All right, next level maybe like 132. Looking at that bitch off the daily. I could throw a fib on here and all the rest of the shit, but I mean, ultimately this was like a little trend right here. Price was doing higher highs and higher lows. So that was the current little shit. So here we are at a higher low right here, about to go make a new higher high for the week. I know this probably kind of fast. You like higher high, higher low. What's that? What's that? He said, show a meal cash on live. All right, you record your, matter of fact, you go live and then you go show a meal cash and tell us where you at. Shit, don't even trip, bro. You just gotta show us the meal shit cash. Say no mas. Don't be a big goofy. You feel me? Just be a little goofy. One thing I'm not is dumb. Shit, bro. He said, no, I'm not trading. You never show us bread. I don't. You right. I don't feel like I have to. To be honest, I don't feel like I gotta show you shit. Fuck you. That's how I really feel. You feel me? You niggas be feeling like people gotta get out here and prove shit to y'all, but people really don't give a fuck about you like that. Look, you get on here, you like what I do, that's what's up. You feel me? You don't, you bounce, but we gonna get this bread. So pound dollar is at support right now. Like I said, I feel like that shit is sitting at support. It's gonna go ahead and shoot itself back up. You feel me? We got DXY looking like it's gonna be weak. So if that US dollar gets weak, then I will be buying this bitch and continue buying this bitch all the way up to the top side. Euro USD, you asked me what I feel about Euro USD, the exact same thing. I feel like if that dollar gonna be weak, then that Euro USD gonna move to the top side as well. You asked me about Australian dollar, US dollar, it's gonna do the exact same thing. You feel me? So across all the USDs, if that bitch is weak, I feel like it's gonna go up. If that US CAD, you feel me? I feel like that pair gonna drop. But we could go to the inverse of that bitch right now. It's crazy. CAD always selling off, and you know why? Because the dollar stay weak. You feel me? So that's why this pair is always dropping. All right. So I mean, I didn't even know I had this shit marked up like that, but this off the daily too. So if you ask me what time frame I'm on, I'm definitely on the daily right now. All right. So US CAD falling is a sign of a weak dollar. All right. Posting nothing but red. So we're gonna look at it from here, and it should continue. You feel me? So it should continue just moving to the downside with that weak dollar. You know what I'm saying? All right, let me see. You said good sport. What's good, my G's? For real? Can I be your beat producer? Send me some shit, bro. Send me some shit. Let's get it. You said what's the what app I'm using? This is called TradingView. It's not necessarily an app, but it's a website. The reason I like TradingView is because it offers qualities that a lot of these other platforms don't. You know what I mean? And that's why I like it. You feel me? It's really for me to just come on and analyze and do everything I need to do to be able to take my position. But I like trading off my phone just because, to be honest, I like looking at this shit like a video game. So I take the stress out of trading because I look at the numbers like a game. Like a lot of you are, I mean, you're trying to use it as your way out, and you could do it like that. You know what I mean? But the quicker you could turn this shit into the game, the easier it's gonna be for you. But if you keep looking at it as something else, then it's like it's gonna be hard to get off that move, you know? For sure. He said, why don't you make some currency songs? The index fire, don't get it twisted. I got you. Collab with Wix, don't lie again. Shit, bro's supposed to tap in on some music shit. Do I like swing trading or scalping? Well, I like swing trading, okay? But look, to be honest, you're not even able to pull what you want to pull off right now in the game. But I feel like right now might be some times for some good entries. You know what I mean? Get some low prices, and I already told you what I feel like the next 7 months gonna do. And I'm moving accordingly, so I don't know what the fuck you gonna do, but I know what I'm gonna do. Cause like at the end of the day, I gotta take care of me and mine. You know what I mean? But I'm here helping you though. You know what I'm saying? So hey, look, if you able to eat, then let's get this bread. How much for a future? I don't even know what I should charge. You said, who's better than me? Man, they don't even walk up to that boy in person, bro. Stop playing with me, man. He said, bro then came on here and made his own fake profile to say that. He said, what do I think about Candlestick Bible? I think it's dope. Cause it's like, I feel like I gotta charge my future prices to cater to a music audience, but like for other shit, then I could charge like my other shit. So you know what I mean? So it's like for different things, I gotta figure it out on the back end, just on business. You feel me? I don't know what I should charge yet, cause I don't know what's too low and I don't know what's too high. You feel me? Said mobbing. Oh yeah, bro. That's that shit, bro. You feel me? The video for mobbing gonna be wild. But we're gonna go over to this is CAD right now. So the pair that we about to switch to, and mind you, I said pair we about to switch to is US Swiss. All right, which usually follows US CAD. When this was. Here we go right here. It should just continue on that downtrend. All right, prices making higher highs, lower lows and lower highs. So drops make another lower low, come up and retest, lower high, lower low. It should just continue in the direction that it's going. Like, I mean, that's the direction the market is going. The dollar is weak, bro. It's obvious, you know what I'm saying? So this shit red as hell. If I were you, I'd be looking to short this week. And that's just what it is. You feel me? Hey, we turning up though. You feel me? I'm about to turn on that mobbing. And then, cause I need some of that energy right now. That shit gonna turn us up. You feel me? Then I could probably go off Bitcoin right after that, cause that mobbing gonna turn us up for the week. That's really what we need. Then, you know, we gonna end the stream with trading in and Versace rolls, Sean getting out of control. You feel me? We gonna get off that too. Really, that's gonna be cracking. You said Ty don't sell courses, but how do you learn? Shit, with your brain, bro, y'all be scared to apply yourself, fool. You feel me? You be scared to apply yourself. Like, I'm gonna teach you. Look, I'm gonna teach you the game, right? This how you learn. You figure out what you want to do, and you do everything you can to figure out how to do it. But then, see, it's one thing stopping you, yourself. You got 1,001 reasons why you feel like it can't be done. You run into one problem, and you feel like the shit be the end of the world. Like me, I be stressed out trying to work through the shit until I can figure it out. Like, I don't care. Like, especially if it, look, you got to look at it like this. Especially if this shit could change your life. A lot of people ask me, oh, well, how long do you think it take it to be? Don't fucking ask me how long when you're not willing to put in that type of work. It could take 2 weeks. If you, 48 hours, you know what I'm saying? Going hard, 72 hours going hard. But you're not built like that. So it's gonna take a minute, you feel me? Let's get it. But I'm about to play that mobbing. I need that energy, and I'm about to switch to shit. Call out something. I'll switch to whatever y'all call out. So I'm gonna check the chat right now, and y'all spam that shit right now. What you want me to look at next? While we got that mobbing playing. And let's get it. All right.
Hey, Ray, turn me out.
Hey, yo, Tyrell made that.
Oh yeah.
What's good?
Tyllionaire.
Look, probably out here mobbing, out here stomping shit. Them trade niggas crazy, we be out here thumping shit. You get in car cause you not who you thought you is. Whole life been frontin' for them cameras, bitch. Now we back to the block, buying up the block. Niggas claiming that they hot, but you ain't fucking hot. On YouTube, star cap and sir cap a lot. Keep a blaming cause I talk my shit and back it up. Niggas acting like they bad, you ain't bad as us. I keep my name in the market like a runner up. Then run it up because fucking about to run it up. It's house money anyway, I accept the love. Phone hot, won't touch the shit without.
Hold on. A lot of people ask me what my favorite sign is, and I need all y'all to go ahead and do your favorite sign with me. Boom. That's my favorite sign. That's my mood most of the time. So before you ask me a stupid ass question, just know that's what I be on. But let's get this money though. If you could vibe with me, you feel me? When I'm on my shit, then cool, we gonna get this bread. But I'm about to go to 1,000 though. You feel me? So let's get it cracking.
Out the glove, I get to this level, you will see what's up. I take your little money and run it to 1,000. And when I'm done, I flip this shit and sit in like 10.
Easy.
Put a whole chicken out before it burn
It's
again.
too hot.
Stuff that ticket in my pocket cause I'm born to win. It's trade game and it's the code, got a profit to win. You can't even hold the pot cause you might burn your hands. From the west to Long Beach, I had to turn it up. It's trade or die, my lifestyle out here turning up. Popping bottles cause you know we about to run it up. Blue numbers on the board, that's the money run. I'm about to hit the billboard, then I double up. Do my Forex, dance, laugh at oppositions. I make my money stay hustling, have a pot to piss in. Y'all be worried about another nigga dick. All I know is the rich or get rich. All I know is get money and stack M's. Ay, fuck these hoes, they only like whack deals. After sex, just worthless and standstills. Ay, most bitches rather fuck a boss too. Ay, most bitches tired of the game too. I like boss bitches, bougie as fucking rude. You ugly, she won't even look at you. Ay, baby say she got that bomb, she got that Nagasaki. She say she got that sloppy toppy. Like Nickelodeon in the morning, say she got that knocking. She want this meat every day like it's Johnny Rockets. Out of stock, but when I'm in, I'm overstocking. Like the Grinch who stole Christmas, I can't help nothing. Only thing I gotta do is stay guapping. Off the Nationals daily, in the discussion. In the market, feeling lucky. Got it fucked around and gave the max to the junkies. Bitcoin machines popping, still 100 run it. You drop the top when you're done, now you're something. Playing in the game, but you ain't really want it. Ask me what session I trade. It's London. Got the ATM printer, not that money.
Bitch.
Toss this motherfucking phone, this shit bumping. One Donald Trump tweet, the market jumping. Not saying I support that shit pumping. I know soon it's gon' drop that shit dumping. And we gon' sell that bitch down to keep the wheels running. Trade with the trend and we gon' make your girl ready. Trade with the trend and I can make your bitch rich. Trade with the trend, money on a necklace. She ain't want the necklace, she want the big fish.
Let's get it. That was mobbing. Yo, when that shit bang in the stadiums, we're gonna be going up. I can't wait. Like, see, y'all don't even know my energy because most of y'all never did your research on me. You just thought I just popped up and start talking this Forex shit. Fucking crazy. If I was you, I would have went and looked me up. I would have been like, the fuck, let me go back and see how far I can go back and trace this nigga. But see, what was smart about me is I left it under a different name. My name, right? So you could call me Tyllionaire or Tyler K. Moore, but what's smart is when you type in that Tyler K. Moore, go put that shit on YouTube and have fun. You feel me? You'll probably learn so much more about me and you'll be like, damn, okay, now it all adds the fuck up. You know what I mean? What I did with my life is try to leave a blueprint so, you know, you guys would be able to follow on how I got here. Now, if you did your research, then you'd be like, okay, it all makes sense. You know what I mean? But let's get on this pound. Right, so pound yen showing us bearish signs. This is an evening star. All right, if you want to know what this pattern formation is, usually these are called evening stars. All right, so we spotted that and that's there, and don't act like it's not there. A lot of y'all try to deny the fact. Oh, it's not there. I want to do what I want to do. Okay, you do whatever you want to do. I'm telling you what's there. So first, that's there. Although, right, price is sitting at support. Okay, where this X is at, that's the 23.6, and you see hella support right here. So two things, right? Price could take a quick dip down here, drop like what, 50 quick pips, you feel me, to start the week, boom, all right? And then just try to move to the upside and continue doing whatever GU is gonna do. Usually, you know, they follow each other and shit like that. So we can go to German 30 and see the outlook on German 30, and we see how that young pound is doing, you know what I'm saying? And get it cracking like that. Look at, oh, coffee. Got more coffee. Let's get it. This shit hot as a motherfucker. I ain't gonna cap. Yes, indeed. Gotta roll my Wheaties up too. You said, have I done FTMO? No. I probably wouldn't do that shit. I can trade my own shit all day, bro. Pound New Zealand. That's dope. You my mentor, Ty. I'm so blessed to find your channel. Easy call. I'm on pound dollar right now. I'm about to go to German 30 though. All right. So it's crazy. On German 30, we got a morning star. Crazy ass wick right here though. So I like that wick right there. You feel me? That's letting us know we got hella action. We look left. Support looking crazy right now. Morning star at support. So even though, like I said, I still feel like we might maybe push to the downside because of what I'm reading on Sunday, but I mean, I know how the market works. The shit could just snatch back. German 30, you know, give us that pressure and keep moving. Although, we'll hear, he said guapin, guapin. He said guapi, guapi. It's guapin. Like when people be like guap it, like guap it. I remember it was just one saying back in the day. Feel me? When it was coming up in the jerk days, like guap it or stop it. Feel me? I mean, get money or stop it. Feel me? Shit, that's hot. That is hot. You said you held GU over the weekend on a sale thinking that we reverse. I should close it out. Look, bro, I'm gonna tell you the truth, man. So that dollar is looking weaker and weaker. All right. I don't know if you want to hold that shit. That shit. Let's say that dollar fall. That GU gonna get nasty on you. I ain't even gonna cap. That shit gonna try to rocket to the moon. This DX. This not. I was gonna say DXY. This German 30 right here though. Feel me? So I know she's sitting at support. This young Gertrude actually got some heavy support. Let's see how far. Yeah, she got some heavy support. To be honest, her support. Yeah, she got some heavy support. I don't know if she gonna do 13,188 this week. You feel me? I put a price tag there. Put a tag there. You can follow me on Twitch. We be examining this shit, so it'll get cracking. What's your indicator system on the bottom right? Well, I don't know what this is. I think this the shit they put on TradingView. So it's what they put on TradingView. I guess that's their indicator system. Yeah, I called her young Gertrude to hold a trade until July. You said to hold a trade until July 2021. That drawdown would make you not want to look at the chart. Well, to be honest, Molly, if speaking about drawdown, that's like if you're wrong, bro. So if you got the wrong trade and you holding it to July, then yeah, for sure, for sure. You feel me? For sure, for sure. You said saw Ty's old videos just now. Saw him do flips. Dude was a ninja before YouTube. You'd be surprised what I was doing before YouTube, bro. I told you I was at YouTube before I was on this motherfucker. You know what I mean? Like, and it's crazy. Like, I used to show you to YouTube, man, and just aspire to have my name on there, because I used to show it for all different type of productions, but it was never my name. You know what I mean? So I was always like, man, like, just one day I'm gonna have my own, just boom, TY. Like, so in a sense, like, I mean, once it opened back up, like I made that shit come true. Like, I could book my own sound stages and all of that now. So it's like, you know, it's pretty dope, you know? So I can't wait till YouTube give us that go again, because I'm for sure gonna be in there going stupid. You feel me? For sure, for sure. Like, at first it was my home, but it wasn't my home. Like, now it's about to be my motherfucking house. Fuck you talking about? You feel me? And look, if you don't know, like, man, I used to build some of the most savage sets. So like, I can't wait to just go back to YouTube and just be putting all that creativity to use. Like, their facilities is crazy, you feel me? So we're gonna be making some dope ass sets and stuff. That shit gonna be tight, you feel me? On me. I know, now everybody gotta go make a goddamn set, right? Do your thing though. The Forex Lames music video is coming very soon as well. Let's mark up some more stuff. What's the biggest part of Forex to master? I feel like the biggest thing you need to master is your psychology. And that's because once you understand the game, it's easy. But the hard part is really like, okay, I'm getting in, I'm getting this money, and I'm getting out. Because then, like, now you're in a community and you see this person made 70,000 and this person made 10,000, this person made 5,000, and now this person made 400 in 2 minutes, and like, you know what I'm saying? So then it kind of encourages you, and you, oh, now I gotta get back in, you feel me? So, man, let's get it. You said it's about your entry, not your stop loss. That's right, Mr. Johnson. He said it's Molly G. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Brandon Larkins played our music. I got you. Damn, everybody really came on here for the Rolls Royce energy, bro. That's funny. Cause I asked, I was like, yo, what song should I play? And then hella people was like, yo, play the Double R energy. So I got y'all though. I got y'all. I was just vibing, you know what I'm saying? I was just vibing. My bad. My bad. Let's get it, dude.
Woo! Shit. Top feels so much better than the bottom, baby. So much. Sound.
Right now, man, I'm just wishing positive vibes, you know what I'm saying? So you guys have a great, profitable week, you know what I'm saying? So just vibe out with me in the chat. Just go ahead and spam some fire emojis and, you know, let me know what you want me to examine next. Let's get it. So as we do that, we just gonna vibe out. Let's get it. Let's see who really active in this bitch.
Look, so let's really talk dividends. The big dogs move the mortars in. Look, Forex living, ooh, Forex moving. ETX stocks, baby, all inclusive. REITs, bitch, I'm really a mix. Niggas mad that I'm black and move stocks like bricks. On the same thing as Buffett, I found some monthlies that hit. Found some annual flips and some quarterly kicks. Moving cake like packs.
Let's go.
Oh, okay, the grass is greener where you water it. So I watered it. Had to get my crypto miners busted. Then
Man.
I ordered it. Got my eyes set on
It's
the
a vibe, so
bread,
let's
and
vibe.
I'm targeting, locked it in. Profit margin set that I talk my shit and now I'm barging in. Forex on my face, better take that triple what the charges is. Latency of spreads and kill a lot before the targets hit. If money's in the market, then it's working less. The dollar's been flexing. I remember trading Brexit, championship balling like I'm Wayne Gretzky. Stressless, diamonds should be so impressive, but under stress I've seen some diamonds crumble under pressure. A lot of violence and crime, a lot of people in strife, a lot of roads so baby, a lot of roads go baby. I mean they calling it crazy, I mean I'm tyllionaire. They like the way that I'm wavy, and that's the life of the trade. If the bar was up to life and let them know. Let the motherfucking bass just roll, bitch. The equity up, and you know it's gon' flow. Niggas talking, but we still on the go, bitch. On the go.
Let's get this money. Let's get this money. Tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in, tap in. Yo, actually, I got some new shit too. Let me pull it up. Let me see. Where is it? Boom. Okay, I know where it's at. Hold on, I gotta send it to myself. But you know, I stay with the new shit. I stay with the new shit. I got some new shit that's really like, it's called Forex Life Lessons. I'm gonna let y'all get a little preview. You know, I stay previewing the new stuff, and let's get it. But this is Aussie dollar, right? It's already started. It's pushed to the upside via or from a weak DXY or a weak dollar. All right. Bro, I'm saying, hey, smash that like button though. Smash that like button. Let's get it. Hey, all the people who hit the dislike button was the niggas that I roasted. Y'all had to get the fuck up out of here. You ain't like me anyway. Why you even show up? If you was just gonna piss yourself off. That's why I be asking people, like, why do y'all be coming around people y'all don't like, and then when they do something that piss you off, it get under your skin? What? You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't even make sense to me. It don't even make sense to me. It's crazy. But you for sure piss yourself off fucking with me, you know? All right, so look, boom, that's Aussie dollar. Let's go to New Zealand. That's pushing to the top side. We're gonna go ahead. Look, oh man, it was cool about this. Look, I know y'all see it. Boom, 1, 2, young triple bottom on that jit. Yes, indeed. I know you see it. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Young triple bottom on that jit, let's get it. So, I mean, price should continue pushing to the upside, to the upside. Price going to the upside, what's good? All right, like 67, that's off the daily, feel me? That's off the daily, should keep going, should keep pushing, man. Hey, but nah, real shit though, I really hope you guys achieve your dreams, man, your wildest dreams, like an imagination. I'm really here just as a vessel to inspire you, you know, to push to that next level and shit, because I mean, if anything, like I can help you get to that next level for sure, for sure. My mindset, I got a championship mindset, and really it's just win, 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 win. So like, people were pissed at Jordan, but that nigga got 6 rings though, you feel me? So shit, people were pissed at LeBron, bro got 5, you know what I'm saying? So shit, man, you gotta just, you know. Hey, so I'm looking for the damn song. I'm trying to get y'all cracking, man. He said with love from the gulag. Hey, what's the deal? What's the deal? What's the deal? Trey, what's the deal? He said, hi Ty, I'm tuning in from the UK, first live stream for me. Well, hey, what's going on, Lewis Andrews? If this your first time here, hey, well, shout out to you. Appreciate you, you know, enjoying this energy with us. I know we kind of get a little bit buck over here, but hey, it's just because I gotta let this energy off, man. I gotta be myself, you know what I mean? So I like to party, I like to have fun. So you're gonna definitely get this fun party type of vibe over here, and definitely we're gonna look at charts and get to this money. But for me, I feel like this shit is boring, to be honest. So the way I do it and why I do it is because it makes it fun for me, you know what I mean? So let's get it. Man, chat going up, man. You guys spamming, you guys going crazy. That's the thing. That's the good energy that we talk about. That's the good energy that we talk about. What you guys eat for breakfast though? Let me know. What's really good? What you guys eat for breakfast? Put me on. Put me on. Put me on. What you guys eat for breakfast? I'm trying to see, what did I call that song? Cause this nigga just sent it to me. I'm over here looking for this shit, like. And then also, shit, I'm looking for some singers too. So if y'all got some singing songs, like tap in with me. You feel me? Let's get this shit cracking. Let's get it cracking. All right, so I definitely don't. Okay, I sent stems. Where bro send it back to me? I think he sent it on Gmail. In the meantime, we're gonna play that Forex Lames while we load up some shit.
You already know who I am. Let's turn this shit on one time for the one time. Oh, let's go, let's go.
He go, why the fuck you gon' try? What the fuck I got to say in your lane? And you know I ain't playing. Keep the chopper on the side, side, side. Biscuit always on live. Stay away from lame. We don't fuck with no lame. Yeah, I'm out here on my bullshit. Big rims make money rich slow. Moving money off the floor, better trade flow. Tell the broker hand me up and with me on the dough. That's for sure, you gon' block if they won't smoke. Hey, hold on, this how it's gon' go. When the blue numbers up until the whole slow. All my little niggas active and they gon' go. Yeah, sending out the signals in this fight. That's a lick, give me Bitcoin and some pesos. Yeah, I'm compounding the count just like it's Legos. And I really bring the clients with your playouts. Trade gang, you know what's up, so what you say now? Motherfucker, I'm a boss, you better lay down. In the streets, but we buying up the block yada. On the Nasdaq, you know I got them stocky dollars. They go, why the fuck you gon' try? Motherfucker, got to stay in your lane.
Hey, the music video to that, y'all gonna really, I feel like y'all gonna really vibe with that video. It's gonna be interesting time for the Forex community, man, when that video drop, which is in like a week or so. I think maybe a week, maybe less, maybe a week or less. But it's a dope video. That's all I gotta say. we definitely brought you guys back for those who are 90s babies. You feel me? So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. You said I did German 30, not Australian dollar. I just got off Aussie dollar though. I just got off Aussie dollar. So this is price heading north right here, right? I see price still trying to break, still trying to move. I know it's near resistance or a supply zone. That's why it's creating some sort of consolidation. All right. So I feel like it's gonna keep pushing. I will watch the dollar, you know what I mean? But let's get it. You think about putting your computer, I'm stupid. You think about putting your music in 432 hertz. I definitely need to. I've been hearing about that a lot. Shit, so I should get on it for sure. What is that? I'm trying to see what that song is called, bro. Like, I know I got that shit, but I don't remember. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm about to give you that shit, because that shit gonna be fire. Like, I really feel like I gotta share that with you. I'll be sharing all the new shit with y'all before it drops. You feel me? Where the fuck? I think it came in my Gmail though. Boom, on me. Let's go. Yeah, go. There you go. Are we in this bitch? There it is right there. I try to mix it up. It's kind of different, but it is what it is. You feel me? I'm gonna stay with the new vibes and shit. You said, let's raise the vibe. Bro, your music will blow if you do 432. You already showed gold. Let's do it. What I think about Forex Academy, I'm not sure. You said you're already short in euro. Shit, how you short in euro and it's bullish though? I mean, shit, maybe on that GJ, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like even that's gonna pull back. I'm looking at Jerk 30 like, shit, all right. Although this will be an interesting week to say the least, especially during election week as well. So how do you feel about counter trend lines, Ty, or just unnecessary? To be honest, I feel like a lot of the stuff in Forex that they be trying to sell to people is unnecessary. You feel me? You just need to clear your mind and focus. And that's on some worldly shit though. If you could just clear your mind and focus, you will become successful. You know what I'm saying? Disable all the distractions and keep moving forward. Damn, I lowball want to play Yacht Party though. Man, bro, like that's the vibe right there. Y'all already know that's the vibe right there. You feel me? Yeah, I lowball want to play Yacht Party. Like I said, this is a new vibe, so I got a lot of new vibes like this.
I trade what I see, trust my gut and go with it. People not who they seem. Just watch and don't listen. Lie to your ear, do you hear me? Lie to your face, in your face, fuck your feelings. But really that's life and that's how people move. Gotta stay focused on you and just do. You gotta pay bills even when the rent due. You gotta pay dues because food's to the food. We all gon' eat when he palace that high. We eatin' all spring. Word to my team that I gotta stay fly. Word to the drip, Forex the way. Down to the pants and down to the belt. Talked to my dad the other day. Talked to my mom, now it's back to my roots. Back in this music and back to the charts. It's just like a habit, addicted to art. Addicted to money, addicted to cars. But we all addicted to something. As long as it's healthy, addiction could run you for money, could make you a victim. Invest in yourself, get trapped up the picture. Invest in your wealth, invest in your health. But I think that you should just be true to you. Just be true to you.
Like like I said, I know that was a totally different vibe than what y'all was used to, but like I'm making music now, so like I'm on the vibes. You feel me? I've been trying to get on the vibes. So he said, "Hey, you playing the whole thing this time? Cause I'm about to drop it." That's why, cause I'm about to drop it. You feel me? Hey man, many may hate on you, but you doing what you want to do, and that's inspiring. Man, that's really what it is, you know. So like I said, I got love and passion for, you know, what I like doing, and I'm gonna do it. But so initially we see oil prices getting lower, right? So usually oil is like an inverse to CAD dollar. So I mean, or dollar CAD. When dollar CAD is usually like pushing up, then oil is moving to the downside. All right. Although I don't see the strength in the dollar right now, and maybe, I mean, look, sometimes the market, they don't follow the inverse, like especially, you know, in now's time, like, so. But I do see that young divergence right there. I do see price could keep pushing, you know, lower. But then also, I also see that, look, we sitting at some support too. So could we just range between here? You feel me? And then that's the question to ask. So are we just gonna range here during the week, and then after elections, everything will be, you know, back to normal? So let's get it. But we about to get up out of this bitch. I'm about to yacht party, and then mink coat, and then we out of this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? So while y'all doing, so while we yacht party, what you need to do is tap in and let me know, you know, what else you want to look at. You feel me? I think we covered pretty much everything. Feel me? We probably covered everything, but you know, we could still tap in and see what you guys want to do. But I'm about to yacht party this shit right now. So we're gonna yacht party this shit, and let's get it. We up on a hater at the beginning. We did that at the beginning.
We at the motherfucking yacht party. Yacht. Okay. We at the motherfucking yacht party.
This shit is banging.
We at the motherfucking yacht party. We at the motherfucking yacht party. We at the motherfucking.
Walk through this bitch with a mean bug. Money in my mind, don't say good. Henny hitting hard and I fuck good. Trades on flex, so it's bank run. Better trade hoe. Slide on the scraper, this is scraper though. Niggas talking, but you really know the paper hoes. Ayy, run the better, keep the bankers close. Ace, ayy, turn the bass up. Yacht party, bring the bottles to the front, yeah.
We got all the fucking bangers, all the bangers. Yo, the yacht party shit go bang on the yacht, so stupid, bro.
We at the motherfucking yacht party.
Like that shit gonna be, but see, like, you've never seen me perform live, so y'all don't know, you don't really know all the energy that's behind this shit. Like, man, shit. Like I said, we're gonna get cracking. You said back to charts. Actually, I'm about to get off these charts. How about that? You can run back the whole video though. What am I, about an hour, 61 minutes? That's an hour. You already know I'm about to get off this bitch. So yo, it's your boy Ty, man. Look, I'm about to mink coat that shit. If you got questions or something, maybe I'll stick around for like a minute or two, ask your questions. But I mean, pretty much, you know my vibe. I do an hour, then I'm off this joint. Feel me? Just like a TED talk. So man, I ain't trying to even go over the time. You feel me? I'm not even trying to go over the time, man. Let me see if anybody got any questions. Feel me? You know, you gotta be quick. I've been on here for an hour, so you should have been answering them shits.
And I make coke. And I make coke.
Izzy, you go hard.
And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke. And Versace rolls, young and out of control. Shoot my shot, knock him down like a free throw. Shoot my shot, knock it down like it's dominoes. And I mean coke, trading and I mean coke.
Hey, no cap though, I feel like if we play that in some spot and fill that shit up with all of us, like the whole spot gonna be going crazy. Like people gonna hear us screaming in the mink coat 5 blocks down. But anyway, I'm out this bitch, man. It's your boy Ty. I'm out this bitch. What's happening? See y'all. Y'all stay up. You hear Queen down there say Trey. You heard down there. It's lit. Let's get it. Y'all peace out.